Hello everybody, now I'm going to read pages 8 to 9, which is our next section titled The Sun. That is the heading of this section, the Sun. The Sun is our star. Our planet Earth orbits the Sun. Remember, orbit means to go around it. The Sun makes a lot of heat and light. So this is a little label in our illustration here of the Sun. So it's telling us that this is the Sun, and it gives us a little caption that says, "Don't look directly at the Sun, it could hurt your eyes." So it's giving us this real bright looking sun, showing us that if we look at it, it could hurt our eyes. Its surface is about 100 times hotter than a hot summer day. It's also very big. 1 million Earths could fit inside the Sun. So it shows right here a little illustration of a little Earth right here and a label. It's kind of like a diagram, right? Showing us, look how small Earth is compared to the Sun. 1 million of our Earths would fit into the Sun. So that's a huge star, right? And that's how it's so bright and so hot. So I want you to answer the next few questions about pages 8 and 9, and then we'll continue reading together.